So right now we're doing it without the machine sucking in, but we are going to turn it on now. All right, check this out. This is a vacuum that has a lot of built-in accessories for your pets. All right, this one actually has clippers built in here, the actual holes, and you could use it for a blower too. And there's a heat control too. On the actual buttons, if you guys can see, you have the power, minus and plus, and then different options. And then of course, when you use it as a blower, you push the heater part, right? And then you could display Celsius, all right, or Fahrenheit. It's up to you. Now, if you guys can see, the holes are actually in the actual system itself. Now you push the button in the back, the whole system comes out. Here's where the actual filter goes in the back of it, all right? Just make sure that you know that the filter needs to be cleaned once in a while, and you can remove it. The hose is in there, but before we open the hose, I'm gonna show you what's included in here, because you're looking for the nail clipper. Everything's included in the system itself. For traveling purposes, it's perfect. So I'm gonna show you. Here we are in the back. You push the button. Look at this. The actual cord is embedded in there. All right. You got your different accessories. This is for a hairbrush, right? And it sucks in the actual hair. A nozzle in case you have to clean up the extra hair. And then look at this, another one, different sizes, all right? And then of course the trimmer itself, the clippers, right? Look at this. Whew. And the clippers are included in here. I used it a couple times, and you can see that all the dog hair goes in there. Different speeds. The type C's to charge in the side of it. This is a separate charge because this one it gets power built-in batteries. And then of course you got your for yourself, for humans. This is if you have a lot of dog hair in your clothing or your carpet or anywhere, you go suck it in with there. It has a static area where it picks up the dog hair. All right, that's a plus. Now, if you guys can see, everything's in here included, and you face it forward in the actual area where you have the holes is actually where the dog hair is at, all right? That's going to be collecting all the dust and anything that you collect. It's going to go in here. So I'm going to show you right now how it works. It sucks it in here, it pushes in here, and it blows it out with the actual air filter. So let me show you how to hook this up. Once you take out, you push the button here, right, to remove the whole entire thing, but make sure that the bottom part connects here. There we go. Locks in place. This is the actual reservoir where it's going to collect all the dust and everything else. Now, on the side of it, there's two different ways you have to remember. This is to suck in the air and any particles. It goes through the top. Bottom is for the hair dryer, and it's going to throw heated air if you add the heated part of it. All right, it's simple. There's a clip here, the push of button, just clips in there, and that's it. This is going to be a vacuum, and the bottom part is going to be the blower, or the blower, right? Just remember that. So that you have to activate it or it's going to pop out. Make sure you do that. All right, for the attachments are very simple. Just click on, all right? And they all do the same way. They all hook up the same way and disconnect the same way, all right? We're going to shave a little bit more. We just shaved them a couple places, but look at this. This thing is very powerful. So right now we're doing it without the machine sucking in, but we are going to turn it on now. So at the end of the day, look at this. Get everything in there, all the dog hair we did. And he's not even disturbed by anything. So stop it again. Look at that. Turn it on. Level 1 or level 2. Brush them. Got all that dog hair, you see that? Look at that. Piece of this. Like this too. If you want some more too, you want some of this. Okay. I want you to see, guys, at the end of the day, look how much stuff we got. We're going to open it up. All right, just be careful with it. But look, it's a lot of dog hair we just took out right now and cleaned up. So, very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.